Hey folks, it's Joe. I'm here in Arvada today with another 996. Now I'm bracketing the range for 996 cabs apparently. I have three right now. We have the lapis blue, beautiful, super low mileage car that we have a buyer in line, hasn't finalized yet. Then we have the middle mileage black C2 cab manual also. That one has, I think, 60,000 miles on it. This one is the other end of the bracket. This is a kind of three owner, but same family owner since 2007 and 43,000 mile 996 C2 cab. This car has so much service done to it. The hydraulic rams and the top mechanism have been redone just this last year. It's got tires, it's got rotors, it's got pads, it's got, fresh oil change, spark plugs, everything is all serviced up. Also in the last 10,000 miles, the bank 2 cam tensioner assembly was replaced. That was leaking, so that was redone. And in the last 10,000 miles, we have a freshly rebuilt transmission done at Black Canyon Performance. And while they were there, they put in a Wave Track limited slip. So this is a limited slip 99. Of course, 99 was the only year you could buy a factory limited slip on these cars, but it now has a fresh Wave Track with a freshly rebuilt transmission from Black Canyon. Let me walk you around. So I've paint metered the car. Why we worry about paint meter on a 170,000 mile car, I don't know. But the front of the car has been repainted. Nothing showing bad, nothing super thick, but I do have a video of that. There's a couple door dings that you can see in the door here, all PDR-able. If you cared, you have to look for them, but they're there. There's a PDR-able ding there. There is a reasonable size indentation there, and a small one here. Again, 170,000 mile car, mostly original paint, super serviced up. Look at this. These cars get maligned, right? Oh, the 996 is the cheap 911. Look at this. 170,000 mile car. Look how good this leather is. Yeah, are there a few little lines in it? Sure. But it still drives really nicely. I took a little driving video. Look, we've got deviated stitching, leather dash, a little bit of a spacing, whatever, on the dash. No cracks or anything like that. Stereo works. Air conditioning works great. 3-spoke steering wheel, leather interior. Here's more of that deviated stitching. Under $20,000. Okay, I've said this before. 996 is the entree into 911 ownership, and for under $20,000, man, this is a very, very nice driving car with a ton of service done. Dare I say, almost in the disposable cost range. You've got a really, really nice driving 911 with a tight top. I'll take some pictures of the top as well, but there's no stretching in the stitching of the top. There's a little bit of fogging in the plastic rear window. No big deal if you wanted to switch that out. It's not bad enough to have to switch it, but I'll take pictures to show that. But I came here to see this car with, not huge expectations, knowing 170,000 miles, and I'm blown away. I think this car would pass for a 60 or 70,000 mile car with the condition and the way it drives. But because of the mileage, of course, it's really, really cost effective. If you'd like to see the Carfax, if you'd like to see some of the maintenance records, there are a ton. And if you're in the Denver area and you'd like to come see the car, just give me a call. This is Joe. My number is 720-382-6167. And as always, thank you for watching.